Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the screw on the side cover of the device and unlatch the cover to remove it. Find the air shroud and lift it out of the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it to the system. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Reinsert the air shroud and secure the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.